Today you're gonna be joined with Aya the creator.
Alpha, you ready to mouse this one down today?
I'm about to shock you now. You're gonna be having spicy turkey with hellfire sauce.
Damn.
So whoever eats the most win, and you have just 10 minutes.
Rasolo, you know how they run them now. First bite. Now you get some.
Whoa. But you soak inside where? Take a easy now. Don't be by who the roast chop. No?
Those are hellfire sauce, so be careful. The burn might get in anytime soon.
I never did feel them yet.
But I thought they feel like small.
Oh shit, so hot. Damn.
Rasolo, you see on your first piece. Aya's on the second piece.
Don't be by the rush. Now who will win will still win. Number 2.
Number 3.
Ayo. Papa na take her inside.
I did.
Rasolo, you're fine.
I did with you.
Can't you see this smile? I'm okay.
Nah, I did with you. I'm not even gonna try to talk again. Bloody pepper behind me. My don't read, have you? My ear they feel am. My ear they do. See.
My ear they do.
Smoke the show. I'm burning.
Rasolo, can you survive this challenge?
I'm fucking burning, bro.
What's that?
How you survive this challenge?
He who laugh last, laugh best. Hellfire for real, man.
Brother Solo's on his 4th piece, say yo.
First drink. Now you get on. Sorry, say I too fast, but now you get on.
My brother, first drink. How about you get on more? Let me get on. Hellfire.
Hey yo, this is your 4th piece on the hellfire turkey.
This is also my 4th one too.
Hey yo, looks like you finally made your match.
They don't spice my tongue during this now. My tongue ready.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, I'm swearing. Fuck. Brasolo now.
If I come here, man, no way.
I don't know what I'm doing right now.
I go make a mo.
Breathe.
Number 5.
We only have less
this is my 4th piece, right?
than 10 seconds.
That's my 4th piece.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Damn!
Hey yo, looks like you're the loser. The winner is Brother Solo, and he goes.
Yeah! Bless I said. Come on.
So thank you guys for coming to Nigerian's Food. Brother Solo is the champion.
More.
Today's hellfire sauce.
More.
See you on the next one.
Last bite for you.
Peace.
Played how I feel like this now. Oh, my tongue, it all sauce by itself.
My face, I feel like for my face.
My head is dark, guy.